Hey guys, let's install this U&A wig. So I did receive this package off of the TikTok shop. I actually bought it. So it retails at about maybe $60, and this is everything that the wig came with. So there's some pre-cut lace, like extra lace. Here's some clips just in case you need to clip your hair down. There's two HD wig caps. There are some lash extensions and two of these like duck bill clips, I think they're called. Oh no, those are alligator clips, and a silk hair scrunchie. So I did go ahead and put a wig cap on, and this is the hair. I got the bob, which has the dark roots. The wig comes with a strap in the middle and two combs on the side, on each side. The parting space is, I believe it's a 3x5 or a 5x7. I'll put the link down below. I'm sorry, I don't remember. I'm just putting some makeup on the lace, and I did use some wig glue to hold it down. That's by Boltold. You do not have to use any wig glue because, honey, this is a glueless unit. And also, she's a synthetica, but she eats. Like, she's really, really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the wig on now. And baby, when I put that wig on, the lace was so nice. I want to say this is a pre-cut and a pre-plucked unit. For it to be a synthetica and at the price point, it was really nice. Like I said, you do not have to put the glue on the wig. This is a glueless unit, and it's really nice because if you're a person that's on the go, you can easily apply it and just really, like, honestly, like, run out of the house. So right now I am just melting down my lace a little bit, and I'm going to add some hairspray. Like I said, all of this stuff is not necessary. It's up to your own discretion. So I'm just putting a little bit of hairspray on the lace to have it adhere a little.